sharpen the saw, the 4 dimensions. We call this it as a habit of renewal. Do you observe that some of the tasks or work that you do takes a longer time? But to your surprise, you see someone else complete the same task much faster than you. How the other person complete the task in less time? What is the magic there? Well, we all know that every work that we perform, there is a learning curve. This means it takes some time to learn the work or task, and then gradually we start becoming proficient and then master or expert of that particular work or task. What happens then? We often become complacent. We start feeling, I know everything about this skill or job or technology. And trust me, the problem starts from here. We forget that there is no end to learn, no end to read, there is no end to communicate with other experts and get the best practices they follow. If we do not sharpening our knowledge, if we do not keep ourselves up to date, our position, our skill, our expertise will start getting rust. Then one beautiful morning we will find that the person once known as God of that particular skill is now outdated. We have not heard about the word sharpening the saw, or it's not so common or popular word. But if I say, are you familiar with continuous improvement, continuous learning? All of you, I am sure, would jump up and say, oh yes, 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 this is a known term and we all know about it. So, let's see, how do we sharpen our saw? As mentioned just now, we need to continue learning. There is no end to learn a new skill or a new concept of the same skill. Think of a very senior executive of a company. He has been following the first 6 habits for years, and today he is considered as a leader. He had earned respect, position, money, everything that he would have dreamt of. Once he reaches there, he feels great, and in his mind one complex came and started residing. The name of the complex is I know everything. There is no one to beat me in my organization and even in my industry. I am indispensable. It continued for a couple of years. Then suddenly he found that the people are not respecting him anymore, or at least the level of respect has gone down or is going down. One of his juniors is drawing all the limelight and everyone in the organization started praising about him. The first thing that came to his mind is, the other guy is a young chap and he has an excellent appearance. He looks good. He always tried to please his seniors. Actually, he had been working for you earlier and you have seen him or this characteristic of him during that time. Like every human, he tried to find someone else to blame for the loss of the position. But remember, he had learned and practiced all 6 habits pretty well. He has mastered those habits. So very soon, he started doing introspecting. What went wrong? What he found that he was overconfident and complacent and stopped learning, stopped developing himself. As a result of that, the other guy, the new guy, he came up because compared to his saw, the other guy's saw was more sharper and he could cut the trees much more faster than him. So, though it's an analogy, but ultimately at the end of the day, it all matters how much knowledge do I have and how efficiently I can perform my duties. One more thing. Do you remember the 4 quadrants we have seen in the put first thing first habit? The sharpening the saw unfortunately fall under quadrant 2, which is not urgent but important. Not only important, actually it is very important for long-term result or personal growth. Since it is in quadrant 2, we often deprioritize it against or compared with the urgent task. Many of times we have discussed that time also. Many of times the urgent tasks takes more priority, more highlight, and tend to take up a lot of time of ours. So, because we have already reached at a certain level of our career, I know everything, I am the best in the field kind of habit or kind of thinking, not habit, kind of thinking, kind of syndrome start coming into our mind. And the moment it starts settling down in our mind, we actually forces us to put the less focus on the sharpening the saw segment or revive or sharpening our skill segment.